Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I am sorry to say that I am not going to have a Dolly check-in today. It's been a really long day for us, and in the middle of the day the washing machine broke. So to say that nerves have been on edge would be sort of an understatement, especially when you consider that we have replaced the washing machine, the heat and air pump. We've had a service repair on the hot water heater. We've had a service repair on the heating and air unit that was replaced a few years ago. We have replaced the dryer, and we continue to replace outside hoses and hose reels. Anyway, it's been kind of a day, but I have had so much fun going through Ephemera this evening. Jason is inside working in the house, and I wanted to read this letter to you. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely amazing. I've read through the whole thing once to make sure that I could properly decipher what the words are. This is March 9th, 1937, Dallas, Texas. It has at the top, "Dearest Jim and Essie Faye, your letter came yesterday and I am glad you are well. I am snooping, quote unquote, around the house, not sick or not especially frisky. One thing, I am on a diet that makes me tired. The doctor was here Saturday night and my blood count had gone up 46 points. Okay, so I don't know if she means blood sugar. Blood count to me is normally like the red blood cells, the white blood cells, all of that. But this is 1937. Okay, my blood count had gone up 46 points, so he put me on a 3 days buttermilk diet. Did you ever go 3 days on nothing but buttermilk? Don't do it. Frank met Lewis in Austin last Monday, but I never found out what they did about the business deal. He has been down there 3 or 4 times since then. Augusta has been with him each time. Lewis is coming up here to take me home with him someday this week. I get real jealous when you speak of Mrs. Crater making Jimmy a quilt. I cannot see to make quilts anymore, but I have one I am going to put together and have quilted for him. Though it is not a crib quilt, he can keep it till he marries. I made Joe and Bob one, but Joe's has since been quilted. I made one for you and Essie Faye too, and yours has not been quilted. Frank took me for a little ride Sunday, which I enjoyed. Some days I am all right, then all of a sudden my right arm becomes perfectly helpless and I cannot pick up anything or guide a pencil or pen. Have we written to you that Sybil got her promotion to junior high? We may move in the fall if we can find a place as good as this nearer. Kiss the precious baby for me and write when you can. Frank says he will get a new car soon and they will be down to see you. If you should move, write to me so we will have your new address. Love to Essie Faye. Lovingly, Mother." Isn't that amazing? Now, the photographs that I have spread out, this all came from the same scrapbook. And I believe that some of these photographs here must be of the family. We have again Dallas, Texas, my dearest Jim. I think this in the wheelchair might be the mother. And I don't know if it was like TIAs, similar to strokes. And here is a card to my husband's mother from Essie Faye. Anyway, this is quite a beautiful collection of things. And I have yet to completely go through everything. But I just wanted to stop in and read this letter. I have not forgotten about Dolly. It just seems like a major appliance breaking kind of throws a monkey wrench into the day. But I will be back tomorrow. I'm in the workshop again tomorrow. And tonight, I'm currently working on a journal that's going to be listed soon. And I promise I'll be back really soon. Okay, bye for now.